This weather is killing me. Oh my God. Look at this. Water, water everywhere. The back of the Twinkie. This is ridiculous. So much bad weather. Look how soaked the side is. Look, that's my tarp. Aww. I don't think my tarp did much good last night. We got a bad, bad thunderstorm, rainstorm, sleet this morning. And there's my tarp. Not doing me a whole lot of good, is it? And my door leaks. Not good. Licked around the door. That's soft. I'm going to try to cure these areas with resin first. I don't know that. I don't know if. Oh yeah, there's water on the door there. There's water drips there. Oh boy. Winter in Texas isn't always grand. Look at this lake. It's not supposed to be a lake. Thank goodness the Twinkie isn't sitting in water. The bottom, that is. Look at that. Not good. Oh man, I need to get tires on this baby and get her moved to higher ground. Okay, let's go inside and see what's going on there. Hate to walk in wet boots on this floor. So, that's not good. I gotta move that door. See that? It's sitting in water. Oh. This side is okay though, over here. And if this gets wet right up here, it doesn't really matter, but it's dry. No, that's wet right there. But there's nothing there but the aluminum. Yeah. Dang, those rains were vicious. The winds were vicious. I have plastic over the window, but I didn't tape it onto the gold part because I didn't want it to ruin. There we go. Didn't want it to ruin the gold finish. Okay, it says it's 39. It really feels cold though. My hands are turning red. What does this little thermometer on the wall say? Okay, it says about 40, 41. Today is January 24th, 2019, and it is 73, almost 74 degrees in the RV in the Silver Streak. And I came down to get my second coat of paint on in the kitchen. And get the second coat of paint on these doors. And here are my big doors. So let's get started. I'm still working. Got my second coat on the kitchen. And I'm over here working. I turn around and I realize I have missed a wall. So going to paint it now, and then a second coat on the cabinet doors. And got all my latches together. So they're in that bag, and in this box are all the hinges and stuff. Latches. Hinges in that box. latches in this box. Second coat finished. And typically, I've just needed 2 coats. This is paint and primer also. Okay, I have all the door panels painted. This is the insides of them. So those are done. All that's done. This is done. I have drawers here. I might put one more coat on the inside part of the drawer, but the outside, nah, that's okay. That's good enough. And going to get started on painting this. That'll be my last dark wood surface to paint. Awesome. And it's getting dark in here, but it's clouding up outside. So it looks like we're maybe in for some rain. And somebody brought me a pallet to use in front of the door because there was too much mud. It's just been raining so much this year, it's ridiculous. And I snagged a little table to put my stuff on outside while I'm working. Snagged a little garden hose thing for my site. Somebody moved out and left this stuff. So when I'm done, I will resecure the tarp. But anyhow, I'm not done. So I'm going to come back inside and get this part painted.